Man, it's still storming over here. Yeah, Lee. Man, it's storming. I wish I could have got to that property and got it fertilized. Man, that would have been right on time. I could have got that property fertilized before that rain came in. Man, y'all don't understand how hard it's raining. It's raining hard. It is raining hard. Y'all look at that. Y'all see that puddle forming right there? That's how hard it's raining. Man, I don't think I gotta do a weed eat and get on down, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Monday and Tuesday be my heaviest day. When Wednesday hit, man, I be so happy. Cause Wednesday ain't nothing but cakewalks. Thursday, nothing but cakewalks. I love Wednesdays and Thursdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, boy, I'm smiling ear to ear, nothing but cakewalk. Hey, I can't make love Monday night and Tuesday night. I be wore out. Wednesday, man.